right. I promise this will be fast. 90 seconds a company. First up, we have DivvyCloud from Roslyn, Virginia. Give them a hand.
Good afternoon, everyone. Can I get a show of hands of somebody who's played an electronic arts video game? Anybody? Thank you for paying my salary for 7 years. I ran some of the world's largest online games for electronic arts along with my co-founders. We took some of those games and we migrated them into the cloud in 2011. And we saw right away a huge change. Our infrastructure exploded to size we couldn't manage. We couldn't hire DevOps engineers fast enough. So we discovered very early on that we needed something different. We needed an autonomous system that understood what our infrastructure was doing and could react on our behalf. So we saw a glimpse of the future. 10,000 servers managed by 2 DevOps engineers and 1 expert system. So I want you to imagine an organization running applications all over the world. They have an outage because of a weather event or some sort of security problem. An expert system can go in and automatically migrate applications without interacting with a human. This is a system that we built here at DivvyCloud. I'm happy to say you no longer have to imagine. Please come see us at Village 36 today, and we will share with you the future of cloud automation.
Woo, give it up for DivvyCloud. Next up, we have Krissa, Dynepic from Charleston, South Carolina.
Hi, my name is Krissa Watry, co-founder and CEO of Dynepic, and I believe toys help lay the foundational knowledge and skills that allowed me to go to MIT, become a rocket scientist, and have 2 boxes that have docked with the space station. I'm now on a new mission to inspire your kids and your grandkids and revolutionize the way that kids play today. We are helping toy manufacturers because they don't know how to make their toys smart. You'll see a brain module on my wrist, and that same brain module actually exists now in Buzz Lightyear. He can interact with a tablet. He can then now connect to our Internet of Toys cloud platform. So the platform is actually the big idea, but we need to be able to make all the toy manufacturers' toys smart first and launch them onto our platform. Once connected, you have a whole new way to drive content to kids today and then get them away from the screen. We've had phenomenal traction since we've launched our Smart Toy Advantage program last 2 months. We're now working with a scooter company to look at launching over 500,000 scooters into Toys R Us next year. We've had likes of Hasbro who wants to hire us, and we have some of the oldest toy companies that want to make talking toys. I'm telling you that toys are going to become smart, and we're going to do it and connect all kids and toys and parents together in a new way. So come play with us and come check out our toys later today. Thank you.
Nice. Thank you. Next up, we have EmployUS from Raleigh, North Carolina.
Hello, everyone. My name is Ryan O'Donnell. I'm from EmployUS. Have you ever had a friend come to you and ask for help finding a job? Maybe they got laid off, maybe they're not challenged at their work, or maybe they want to move to Nashville. Or on the flip side, have you ever had a recruiter give you a call and ask, do you know a great candidate for a job? They're going to make $20,000 and you don't see any of that. Well, we've built an app that allows you to help your friends get their dream job and make up to $3,000. You can do it in about 3 clicks on your smartphone. And I founded the company with the former CEO of one of the largest recruiting companies in the world to disrupt an old, outdated, and inefficient industry, recruiting. It's a $14 billion industry that needs to be broken, and we've built a simple platform to do it. Companies post their jobs, anyone can submit a referral, and if their referrals get hired, they make a $3,000 bonus. We launched the app just 2 months ago. We've got 35 companies in the Raleigh-Durham area using it, over 10,000 employees represented there. Over $200,000 in referral bonuses are available right now. We're really excited what we're doing. We're building a world where everyone works where they belong, and we invite you to download our app, vote for us, and help your friends get their dream job. Thank you so much.
All right, EmployUS, thank you. We have another Washington, D.C.-based company. Give it up for EquityEats.
Hi, EquityEats is an equity-based crowdfunding platform specifically for restaurants and bars. What this means, we allow 500 local people in a community to invest in a restaurant. And those investors become the best customers of a restaurant, solving a major problem for restaurants. Those investors come in more often, they become brand evangelists, we call them investormers. Think about it personally. Wouldn't you invest $500 in a local restaurant where not only do you get the financial benefits of being an investor and an owner, but also a few perks? We know the answer is yes, because in March, we successfully crowdfunded a restaurant. Our goal was to raise $200,000 in 90 days. Within 28 days, we had raised the full $200,000, plus had a $50,000 waiting list. Just 2 weeks ago, we launched a bakery on our platform that raised $103,000 in the first week on the platform. We use intrastate crowdfunding rules, which allow accredited or non-accredited investors to invest in our offerings. And that really differentiates us. We've proven the model in DC, we've been approved in Texas by the regulators, and we'll be in Georgia this summer as well. So why are we here today? There is no region in America that loves food and drink as much as the Southeast. And this is why we can use your help. If you know a chef in your community who wants to open a restaurant and could benefit from having 500 investors, please let us know. We're also closing our seed round in 2 weeks. Our lead investor is David Cohen's Techstars Fund. So if you're interested in what we're doing, please find me afterwards. Thank you very much.
Nice, thank you. And finally, our last company for second round pitches, we have Feats from Chattanooga, Tennessee.
All right. Good morning. My name is Lucy. I am the founder of Feats. We're the digital cobbler from Chattanooga, Tennessee. Yeah, I got it. Right, so it's interactive time. Wiggle your toes and think for a second how your feet feel inside of your shoes. Maybe they're a bit tight or a bit loose. Maybe they don't fit. Now, you wouldn't be alone, because 1 in 5 people struggle to find shoes that fit in the $200 billion global footwear industry. And the problem is how shoes are made. They're mass manufactured. So Feats has reinvented footwear manufacturing using a smartphone and a 3D printer for mass customization. Now, I was here a year ago at Southland, and I pitched the big idea, 3D printed shoes. And 12 months later, here we are. We've been funded by Coastal Ventures and Jump Fund. We've built a rock star team, including the CEO of Reebok, legendary designer Ivy Ross, PhD scientists from NASA, mathematicians for Zynga. We've also built the system, software technology from your app, hardware technology of scalable 3D printers, and wearable shoes, if we actually pan to my feet. So, oh, and of course, we actually got live beta testing. People are wearing shoes here at this event. You just got to go and find them. So why are we here? If you vote for us, we're representing the South. We're going to give that money back and open the world's first 3D printed shoe store in Chattanooga, Tennessee. It's a pop-up store, you got it, where we can showcase the South for innovation and 3D printed shoes. My name's Lucy, I'm the CEO of Feats. Thanks.
All right, let's get all the founders up here. They did a great job pitching. Give them a round of applause. Come on, guys. Give them a round of applause. There you go. All right, that closes our round 2 pitches.
Awesome.